We are leaving the renovations behind and preparing for a trip to the countryside in Lithuania. Here we are taking some self-care before a trip. We are saying goodbye to our cat Simba. He will stay in good hands for 1 week. We're gonna miss him so much. Dressing up Simba, taking all his things, his backpack, treehouse, his toys and food, and leaving our house.
On the road, just you and me, singing our song so happily. Best friends forever, wild and free.
We are heading to Luton Airport. There's a huge car crash on the road, luckily in the opposite direction, so we are not going to get stuck in traffic.
Rain on the glass. A blurry line. Fading to black. Just silence.
After arriving at the car park, a bus takes us to the airport.
Riding along a window seat for a mile. Watching go by. Under the sun, got my headphones on. A happy little tune. On the bus, everything's alright. Yeah, on the bus, feel the light.
And now we have a few hours to wait until our flight. We are enjoying some food and opening lucky biscuits, but inside we find something we did not expect. It makes us laugh. Time to get on the airplane. The last time we were in Lithuania was 1 year ago, and we have missed this country a lot. On this trip, we will spend most of our time in the countryside, visiting family, seeing what life looks like in the villages, and how work looks on a cow farm. If you have never been to Lithuania, you need to visit it at least once in your life. It is a very small country, but rich in natural beauty, tasty food, and history. The flight takes about 2 hours and 30 minutes, so I am ordering some coffee and a snack, enjoying the views from the window. We also bought some perfume because it was a very good deal, so I'm always trying to buy it. Time for landing. The weather does not look great. It seems cloudy and rainy. We rented a car so we can travel without any pressure. On the way, we stop at a petrol station to get some food, called in Lithuania submarinas, and it does not taste that way it used to years ago, but it's still nice, it's eatable. Lithuania has a beautiful landscape, and tonight we can enjoy the stunning sunset. It's so beautiful, so beautiful. Good morning. It is a new day, the 17th of May. The sun is rising. Finally, we can enjoy the moment. It is so peaceful here. we can hear only the sounds of nature. This is a very magical and special place on earth. While busy cities are always in a rush, here we can slow down. That is exactly what we need. Sometimes we are afraid to leave everything behind, but deep in our hearts we know we need to take a break and just be.
Hello.
We are making lunch from natural ingredients, and here people eat the food they grow themselves. Fresh vegetables, local meat, and everything made with care. And believe me, the taste is incredible. Completely different from anything you can buy in a shop. Full of freshness, simplicity, and the feeling of real homemade food. Visiting a cow farm. At this time of the year, in spring, the cows are already out in the fields. Fresh milk is produced every day, early in the morning, around 5 o'clock, and again in the evening, around 4 or 5 o'clock. It is hard work to take care of them, requiring a lot of time, patience, and dedication. While walking through the garden, we met a super cute cat named Spurga. In the garden, people grow peas, gooseberries, black currants, and much more. And now it is time to have some fun with the kids. Here we are in the western part of Lithuania, close to the larger town of Tauragė and the Kryžkalnis junction. Lithuania may not have mountains, but it is rich in endless fields and peaceful forests that stretch far into the horizon, giving the land a quiet, timeless beauty. We are going to end this day by watching an incredible sunset. Nature always has a way of lifting our spirits, making us feel light, free, and quietly connected to something greater than ourselves.
Golden light starts to fade. Colors paint the wide open space. Purple hills in the haze. Quiet now.
Good morning. A new day slowly wakes the world up. Today is 18th of May. Let's have some breakfast. These eggs are freshly collected from the chicken coop. We are enjoying a cup of coffee and getting ready for a new adventure. Feeling grounded, grateful, and ready for whatever the day brings. Today we are going to northern Lithuania, not far from the larger town of Šiauliai. We want to visit a place called Viliošiai and a zoo called Alpaca Auginimas. Fuel prices are quite expensive, even more than in the UK. We will be on the road for about an hour and a half, passing through quiet landscapes that make the journey feel calm and almost dreamlike. Finally, we arrived to Viliošiai, hidden among the peaceful nature of northern Lithuania, surrounded by forests, water, and fresh countryside air. This place feels like a small escape from the busy life. Everywhere you look, there is something relaxing and magical. Cozy wooden gazebos, waterfalls, a pond with a charming bridge, and beautiful green landscapes stretching all around us. This place is perfect for both adults and children. While adults can enjoy the calm atmosphere and stunning views from the observation tower, children can have endless fun in the playgrounds, on the giant trampoline, and in the indoor play areas. It truly feels like a place where everyone can slow down, breathe deeply, and simply enjoy the moment. Places like this reminds us how important it is to reconnect with nature, spend some time with family, and appreciate the simple things that brings happiness into our lives. We are so hungry, time to have some food. This restaurant here offers a wide selection of food, from delicious snacks to homemade desserts, with options for everyone, including vegetarians and vegans. Everything feels warm, welcoming, and made with care. We ordered some drinks, as well mushroom soup, cucumber soup, pancakes with cottage cheese, the traditional dish called cepelini, and potato pancakes. We arrived at the zoo called Dargaičiai Zoo, also known as Alpaca Auginimas. In the reception area, there is a small shop where we can buy clothing made from alpaca wool and many other souvenirs. We are having so much fun, we can feed the animals, pet them, and simply enjoy the experience. This alpaca is very naughty. She even spat on my husband. Oh, it was so funny. In the middle of the small pond, there is a cozy little coffee shop on a tiny island but today it is closed. This is the Dargaičiai Reservoir. It is a small and peaceful pond close to the popular alpaca zoo. The pond adds a magical atmosphere to the whole area, especially during sunset, when the water reflects the sky and surrounding trees. Nearby you can find smaller walking paths, cozy resting areas, and family-friendly attractions connected to the zoo and countryside tourism around Dargaičiai village. Many visitors stop here while visiting the alpacas, making it a lovely place for photos, peaceful walks, or simply enjoying the calm Lithuanian nature. This is Shakinos Bandelės shop. Bandelės means buns. So Shakinos buns come from a small traditional bakery in the village of Shakina. What makes this place so special is its simple homemade approach. Everything is baked fresh using traditional recipes that have been passed down and refined over time. On the way home we stopped to eat, and when we got back home we enjoyed a cold glass of water from the well. A well is a traditional structure used for drawing groundwater. What? For the rest of the evening we are enjoying a hot tub and being in the nature. Good morning. It is our last day in Lithuania, the 23rd of May, and it's very foggy. It is my first time flying a drone in this weather, and it looks beautiful in a completely different way. Now we are heading to Kaunas airport. Having lunch there and enjoying a cup of coffee before our flight. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like to follow our life journey, please subscribe to our channel and we will see you next week. Bye bye.